Working in AutoCAD and have a CLT color table file to set up plotting colors? These define color mapping for technical drawing output. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these AutoCAD color table files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the CLT error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. A CLT file stores a custom color palette for use in Autodesk's AutoCAD software. Architects and engineers use these files to maintain consistent color standards across multiple drawings, ensuring that specific colors represent specific materials or layers, which is critical for blueprint readability and accuracy. This is a binary file containing a lookup table of color definitions, typically RGB values. The format is designed to be compact and load quickly, allowing AutoCAD to efficiently map index numbers used within a drawing file, DWG, to their corresponding full color values for on-screen display and plotting. The specialized program designed to handle CLT is AutoCAD by Autodesk, Inc. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows may open these files in a text or config editor, but modifications should be made only when their impact is clear. Your key action: right-click the CLT file and choose Open With. Test AutoCAD if it's an option. If not, select another application. Testing is the most reliable way to find the issue. If the CLT file won't open, don't panic. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, loading in AutoCAD. Within AutoCAD, navigate to Tools, then Options, then Plot and Publish to access plot style management. Browse to your CLT file location and add it to AutoCAD's plot style search path. The color table becomes available for selection in plot style configuration, enabling consistent color mapping across all drawings. Next, converting to CTB. Use AutoCAD's Plot Style Manager to create CTB color-dependent plot style table files based on CLT color definitions. The CTB format is the modern standard for AutoCAD plot styles. Conversion preserves color mappings while leveraging current plot style capabilities for professional plotting output. Finally, editing color tables. Open CLT files in a text editor to view and modify color definitions. Adjust RGB values. Screening percentages or color names as needed for your organization's drawing standards. Save changes and reload in AutoCAD to apply updated color tables to your plotting workflows, ensuring consistent technical drawing output. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.